Hello, and welcome to the functions video where we discuss what is a function. Hopefully the questions here look semi-familiar as they were in yesterday's video as well as today's co-formative. We're now going to be asking that question of, are these representations functions? First thing we need to know, what is a function? So a function is when every input meaning every, usually x value, has exactly one output. And output for us usually means y value. Now, when we determined if something is a function or not, we usually think of graphs, specifically the vertical line test. So let's write that down just to remind ourselves that graphs can be checked to see if they're functions by using the vertical line test. So the vertical line test is if you were to hold up your finger or maybe a pen or a pencil and see if the graph hits this vertical line, finger, pen, pencil, more than once. Because if it hits it more than once, then you're not going to have exactly one output. You're going to have more than 1, 2, 3, however many, and then it's not going to be a function. So our vertical line is going to be, a lightsaber. So let's check this problem 2 right here. So if I run my vertical line across problem 2, I see, okay, it's only touching my lightsaber in one spot all the way through. Is it only touching in one spot? Yes. So is this, is number 2 a function? Yes. And that's all we need to do. These are just yes or no questions. So let's try problem number 5. If I take my lightsaber and I'm running across problem 5, oh no, there's an issue. I run this across all the way through here, and it's hitting my lightsaber in more than one spot. So it's like taking a vertical line. I'll kind of dash it in right here, and I can see, oh no, this input or x value of -2 has more than one output or y value. So is this a function? No. Okay, that's all you have to tell me. Let's try this one more with something that's not a graph. So let's take a look at what would be, I guess, problem number 8. Move this just a little bit. And take a look down here. Ooh, I forgot this was still a lightsaber. Give me one moment. Let's make that a little bigger. There we go. Okay, so now we're looking at our ordered pairs. You can think of this just as a bunch of points. So remember, we're looking for every x value has exactly one y value. And as I take a look here, I go, you know what? I have right here -4, 1. And right here, I have -4, 5. So these 2 points right here, this tells me that it's the same input. Oops, sorry, I am still in highlighter. There we go. It's the same input, or it's the same x value of -4, but it's a different output or y value. So in this case, when we're looking at ordered pairs, if it's the same x value but 2 different y values, or same input but different output, this is not going to be a function. So the answer here is no. So rewatch this video if you need to. We're going to be working on the rest of these problems tomorrow, and I look forward to seeing you then.